Bedtime on the farm. Let's go. Look, I got these ducks up here doing some duck yoga. Look at them. They got one foot up in the air like they're flamingos. Where's your other foot at, son? Huh? Are you trying to keep your toes warm? Where's your other foot? Huh? Oh, there it is. There it is, sir. All right. Hey, Tom. It's time for bed. Let's go. Hello, Brandy. Your mama's doing okay. She had some physical therapy today. All right? And your little brother is a handful. All right, Daddy Duck, let her in. Oh, all the ducks are having the duck disputes. All right, come on. Tom. Aw, my babies. Guess what, you guys? Baby frizzled chicken here was just crowing. He is most definitely baby rooster, aren't you? No, wrong way, baby rooster. There you go. I wasn't sure, but I am now. He was definitely trying to crow. It was funny sounding. All right, animals, enjoy your dinner. Baby rooster, yeah, crazy little baby, crazy baby